my name is Giselle if you guys are new, and if you are returning back to my channel, hello girl, I missed you so much, so thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video is in sponsorship with Jessie Selection. This is their 16-inch curly Brazilian wig, y'all. This is a beautiful wig. I absolutely love it. I will be doing the install process along with just giving my overall final thoughts. So if you guys are interested in this video, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Period. So as you can see, I don't got nothing on my head or whatever. We finna do a wig install and review for a Jessie Selections wig that they sent to me. Thank you so much, Jessie Selection, for sending this wig out to me. I really do appreciate you guys for sponsoring today's video. I love your wigs. The quality of the hair is always amazing. Customer service is great. It's A1. I've never had any issues with them. So let's go ahead and get straight into this install. All right, girl, so we have this beautiful curly closure wig. This is what the hair looks like right now. I did apply some foundation and I believe some eyeshadow right here so we can get the color of it looking good. So to apply this wig on, I will be using got2b glue to glue it onto my head. So I'm just gonna be putting the wig onto my head, and the way I'm gonna keep it down is with some got2b spray. This is the got2b spray I'm gonna be using. This is the glued spray wax. So I'm just gonna use this to kind of keep my hair down. I don't wanna like glue it down because I'm not really in the mood to glue my hair down. So I'm just gonna put this on instead. And hopefully this does the job because I'm just really tired right now. Where the heck is my got2b glue? So I found my got2b glue. So I'm gonna be using this and their wax to hold my hair down. So just using this, 2 products. And I think this is gonna have the hair pretty laid. So yeah. You guys like my makeup? It looks good, right? Okay, I think that adjustment works a little bit better. So I'm just gonna be adjusting my strap so that way my wig is on and secure. So I just fixed the bottom of the straps just so that it is fitted on my head nicely and I won't have no problems. No problems. We don't need no problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my wig down. And so what I like to do to keep my hair laid is I get like a piece of strap and I put it on my head and I just let it sit there and dry. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So this is the strap that I'm gonna be using. This was like a headband, but it has like these elastic pieces on it. So I'm just gonna use this to get my hair to lay down. So I don't know why I did it like that. Let me pull the hair up just a little bit. Oh, okay. Hair up, press it down. Okay, so I'm gonna take the strap, pull it really hard, and then hi.
Is someone in there?
Who?
Who's in there?
Nobody's in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the front of my head. I'm gonna go ahead and use this hot comb and kind of get it laid and slayed and just ready to look bomb. And I'm gonna flat iron the roots at the top just so we can get it as flat as possible. I want this wig to be super, 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 absolutely trooper. I want it to be super laid. So I'm gonna be spraying the Got2b glue spray wax right here, just to kind of keep everything looking well put and well together. And this is just like, this is like the wax, but in a spray bottle. So I don't want any type of flyaways. I want this to look as sleek and nice as possible. So, and I like that shiny look. So this does give it a very nice shiny look to the hair. I'm gonna brush out my hair just a little bit because it is a little tangled. I have worn this hair previously. I did have to remake the video. Okay, pretty much the hair is as flat as I can get it. I'm gonna try to go over it just a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more flatter. But this is pretty much as flat as I can get of the hair, you guys. All right, so the hair is pretty much good. At the top, it's pretty flat. And I don't really have any concerns about it so far. It looks really good. I'm gonna put the blow dryer right here just to ensure that the closure is secured and it's not gonna go anywhere. So I'm about to go ahead and blow dry my hair. Okay, so the next step that I'm going to be doing to almost completing this install, I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer. Okay, I'm gonna be putting concealer where my parting is, and then I'm gonna be using mascara to make the parting look a little bit more put together. So I'm just gonna take this concealer brush. It already has a little bit of concealer from my previous use of it, which sounds really bad, but it is what it is. Hey, but you see how I kind of like, you know, we just want to make it look clean. And then what I like to do on top of that is take mascara and clean it up. Since we have dark hair, we have our parting, and our parting looks good, so I'm just gonna take this mascara just to make my line look a little bit more perfected. It's a little trick I learned, and I was shook when I started doing it. So I was like, oh, it does work, okay. But yeah, it makes your parting look a little bit more realistic. So I like the way it's looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the hair and apply my products in it, so that way we can get those nice, beautiful, long, voluptuous curls. Okay, so I have the hair as wet as I need it to be. I don't need it to be completely wet because it's just gonna take a little bit longer for it to dry. So I have the hair slightly damped. Okay, well, not slightly, I have to say like 3/4 wet, 3/4 of a quarter wet. I don't know. It is shedding a little bit. I don't know why, It's, and I look gorgeous on camera. Hello. Oh, I look like a bad bitch today. Ah! Very much so, looking like a baddie. So I'm about to use the smoothing cream by Marc Anthony. Yeah, Marc Anthony. This is the smoothie cream, and so this is supposed to have your hair looking suave. It's supposed to be frizz free, and it's supposed to apply a good shine to the hair. So I'm doing that right now. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it on this side. Well, I did get I got a little bit of mascara on my hands. It's gonna make me mad, but it's okay. I forgive myself. So yeah, I'm really just brushing out the curls just to get it to the pattern that I like. So yeah. Okay guys, so that concludes that portion of the video as far as me installing it. My overall thoughts and opinions on this wig, I really do love this hair. The texture is just so nice. It looks so good and it looks very natural, guys. This hair is giving very natural vibes. I think it's a really beautiful wig, easy to style. This is a closure. I absolutely love this hair. I feel like this hair is so beautiful. I feel like it matches just like my overall look and it just looks very natural. I don't really have any negative things to say about this hair. Jessie Selection, like, they're really bomb. They're a bomb company. They have really nice hair. Their customer service is A1. Everything about them is just really nice. This wig actually came with a this wig also came with two head caps. This wig came with a pair of lashes, which I actually filmed myself showing you guys it, but I lost the footage because I had to redo this video. So I'm so sorry about that, guys. I wasn't able to show you guys the unboxing part of this. If you look at my previous videos, it's going to be the same products. So I will make sure to link a previous video from Jessie Selection so you guys can see what all comes in their boxes whenever you do purchase a wig from their website. You can also receive a discount code whenever you use my code. I will make sure to leave my code down here so you girls can save some money on your wigs whenever you shop with Jessie Selection. I'm just gonna give you guys a look at the curls. The curls are freaking bomb, girl. Like, what in the world? Like, this is some good hair. Like, and it looks so natural and it just makes me look even more beautiful. Like, the hair is beautiful, I'm beautiful, so beautiful times 10 equals gorgeous. Okay, but overall thoughts, I love this wig. The hair is beautiful. It's easy to style. If you're someone who doesn't wear wigs often, definitely go ahead and get this wig. If you're into curly hair and you want to try out a wig, this is definitely going to be a easy install for you girls. It's not hard at all. The hair lays super flat. It takes really good to heat as well, because keep in mind I did apply a hot comb onto my head to make the hair flatter. The parting space is really long and looks very natural as well. I really love that as well. But yeah, overall I really love this wig. I'm gonna give this wig a 10 out of 10 because it's just bomb. And why wouldn't I? Because I look bomb. Like, look at me. I ain't gonna lie, at first I was scared to have short curly hair because I usually wear long curly hair. So when I got this short curly wig, I was like, oh, this is cute. Sis is cute. Sis is a vibe. Sis is just doing her thing, okay? So yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys really like this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment. And I will see you guys and girls in the next video. Bye, guys.